here's what we're going to do when we do clay. At the back of the room behind my sink, you will see clay project jobs. And they're numbered. Number 1, you will get paper towels, paper if needed. Remember, we roll on the table and create on the paper whenever we're doing clay. And number 2, you will collect the trays. Make sure the lid is on the slip so we don't have a mess. I'm going to show you all this in a minute. Number 3 is tables. Clean up with the spray bottles and paper towels. Remember, 4, no more. With clay, you always want to wipe off all those little particles of clay with your hand first and paper towel, then spray. Make sure you dry the tables. If it's smeary, then you need to respray and clean it, okay? Number 4 is you're inspecting the floor. Make sure it's clean. Make sure there's no little pieces of leftover clay or anything like that. Check the supplies at your table. Make sure everything looks good. And right in the center is a stop at the first timer. We always stop at the first timer with clay. Now, here's the job chart. You already understand the job chart of who does what, and that will always rotate. I rearranged the room a little bit to create some space. So now we're headed over here. And on this cart, you will find your trays. And the trays are all organized by table. See where it says orange, purple, green. That's the extra green on the bottom. Extra clay tools in the center. There's some texture. I'm not sure if those bowl things will work for our clay project that we're doing today. Then you have blue and red and rainbow table. Now, on the trays, when you return them, they should look just like this. So here's your slip. Make sure that lid's on. Get somebody to help you. When you carry the trays, if you notice, I'm trying to do this while holding, there we go. You're going to hold it with 2 hands and you're going to put it back in. And here are your clay tools. In your clay tools, get a little closer here. You will have all different kinds of items. You will share those at your table. This goes in the center of your table. If you can, please make sure you clean the stuff. Do it inside this little container. Do it over the trash can. These are little rolly things. See how there's some clay on there? It's okay. Clay can be kind of messy, but we should do a good job as artists of not having it all over the floor. Like this toothbrush. This is used for your slip. Look at all that dust. We haven't done clay in a little bit. You're going to, remember it's SSPS, which is scratch. You will use this to scratch. And you will actually scratch on your clay like this, and I'll go over this with you. And then so it's score, which is scratch, slip, which is just watered down clay. That's all it is. If I open this up, and you might need to take something and stir it around, like this tool here, okay? And you're just going to dip your fingers in. Make sure, like I said, that we keep this all inside this container. So SSP is press, where you press the 2 pieces together, and then you smooth it down. We're going to go through all that. So this is how we get everything set up for using clay, and I have some other videos to show you.